Hello friends, welcome to the orbit of the coding. So today I'm going to show you what is SQL Server. So SQL stands for Structured Query Language. SQL is Structured Query Language, which is a computer language for storing, manipulating, and retrieving store in a relational database. So, first of all, you come in your mind what is a structured and how does it mean a structured query language. So, in SQL database, database, I will explain you later what is a relational database, what is database, but in a single line I will explain you. So relational database is data is stored in the format of table format, columns and row format in a relational database. So basically SQL server or SQL server is all about data. We need to manipulate the data, store the data, retrieve the data and use in our applications. So here we have two type of data in our we can say that in computer language or in programming language we can say that we have usually managed two type of data. First type structured data and second type is unstructured data. So in structured data, if a data is in the format of table, columns and row and organized data, we can say that this is a structured data. And unstructured data, we can say that if data is not in any type of format, like its type of video, its type of ppt, its type any multiple type of data and large amount of data, and we can that data we can see that unstructured data. So now you can clear. So here like structured query language come through in our pictures because type of data. And SQL can do a lot of other works as well, like including optimization, maintenance, database profiling, integration, multiple uh, facility we can do. I will explain you in the later video. So all the relational database management system like MySQL, MS Access, Oracle, Sybase, Informix, and SQL Server use SQL as their standard database language. Like so, we have a standard database systems. We have RDMS system, and any type of other like database follow the RDMS systems. In 1986, SQL becomes a standard of the NSI. So ANSI means American National Standard Institute. So guys, this is American Standard Institute. So this is a non-profit standard organization in America. So the purpose of this organization is deal with the product, service, process. So once this organization certified that, so we can say that we can usually normally use this is product is an ANSI certified, means this product is totally verified. It's all about service, it's all about data. So we have next level of a standard if we can say that this service is NSI certified. So SQL is NSI certified 1986. And next I will show you a brief history of SQL Server. So how SQL Server come into the pictures, in where? So in 1970, Dr. Asger F. Dad could describe a relational model for database. So 1970, 1970 they describe the relational database. They describe the one format like a data should be stored in the table, row and column format in 1970. And 1974 structure query language appeared. And in 1978 IBM released a product called System R. And 1986 IBM developed the prototype of a relational database which is standardized by ANSI. And 1989 first SQL server, uh, first ever version launch of SQL. In 1999 SQL 3 launched with feature like triggers, object orientation, etc. And in SQL 2003 Windows function, XML related feature etc should be launched. And SQL 2006 support for XML query language. In SQL 2011 improved support for temporary database. Nowadays SQL Server is more advanced. We have added multiple type of features in SQL Server. We have also like implement Azure database, Azure Cloud Database. They also support Azure Cloud Database. We have different type of profilers. They remind we can we have SQL agent servers. So we slowly we can develop multiple add-on multiple type of features. So I will explain on the next video one by one feature. So that's it for this video as of now. I will come to the next video very soon. So please don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.